Aster Basics. Hey Asters! Can you name these cleaning tools? Watch, learn, and improve your vocabulary. Broom. Broom. Bucket. Bucket. Cleaning cloth, microfiber, cotton rag. Cleaning cloth, microfiber, cotton rag. Duster. Duster. Dustpan. Dustpan. Feather duster. Feather duster. Mop. Mop. Scrub brush. Scrub brush. Spin mop. Spin mop. Sponge. Sponge. Sponge mop. Sponge mop. Steam cleaner. Steam cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Dish brush. Dish brush. Dish rack. Dish rack. Paper towels. Paper towels. Scouring pad. Scouring pad. Steel wool. Steel wool. Trash bags. Trash bags. Trash can. Trash can. Drain cleaner. Drain cleaner. Plunger. Plunger. Shower squeegee. Shower squeegee. Tile scrubber. Tile scrubber. Toilet brush. Toilet brush. Drying rack. Drying rack. Laundry basket. Laundry basket. Lint roller. Lint roller. Washing machine. Washing machine. Gloves, rubber gloves. Gloves, rubber gloves. Air freshener. Air freshener. Air purifier. Air purifier. Cleaning caddy, organizer for cleaning supplies. Cleaning caddy, organizer for cleaning supplies. Disposable cleaning wipes. Disposable cleaning wipes. Face mask, for dusting. Face mask, for dusting. Grout brush. Grout brush. Magic eraser, melamine sponge. Magic eraser, melamine sponge. Rag. Rag. Dish soap. Dish soap. All-purpose cleaner. All-purpose cleaner. Baking soda, natural cleaner. Baking soda, natural cleaner. Bleach. Bleach. Descaler, for mineral buildup. Descaler, for mineral buildup. Disinfectant. Disinfectant. Fabric softener. Fabric softener. Floor cleaner. Floor cleaner. Glass cleaner. Glass cleaner. Hand soap. Hand soap. Laundry detergent. Laundry detergent. Sanitizer. Sanitizer. Toilet cleaner. Toilet cleaner. Vinegar, natural cleaner. Vinegar, natural cleaner. Now you know the names of all these cleaning items. Hope this video helped you learn something new. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to Aster Basics, and hit the bell icon for more learning videos. See you soon!